How does man separate himself from animal? For it's occurred to me that animals speak belief also. The animals live by way of belief also. And so we are shown again in truth that we operate the same as the animals. And yet we attempt to raise ourselves above them, speak above them, speak as if we are above them. For most animals live their existence of fear. They live within the fight or flight reflex. And that fight or flight reflex is innate within them, based off of a fear, a belief in fear, that they must run for their life or fight for their life. And it is a belief. Even if you say that they are unable to think about it, they are not conscious of it. Their structure, their being, their brain, that which causes them to function, live, that which causes them to run and fight is based off of belief. For why would a rabbit ever need to fear me? Specifically me. Why would any animal need to fear specifically me when I would not harm them? So they are operating off of not the truth, for they don't know the truth. For it can be said maybe they cannot know the truth. They do not know the truth that I will not harm them, that I only seek to care for them. They cannot grasp this. They cannot understand this, understand. They cannot speak to this. They cannot live in this. Thus, it is based off of belief. So how are you truly above an animal?